What's good, guys? It's your girl Johnny Bunsen back with another unboxing. Today is Vlogmas Day 2, February 8th, and yeah, this month is actually my birthday month. So I'm gonna get my camera next week and my phone case next week. So stay tuned for the unboxing next week. Got my retainers and I'm unboxing my hoverboard. So this is my hoverboard. And we about to unbox. So, I got the scissors right here. And just open it up. Okay. So, she don't come. So, actually cut it more. So. Okay, so. Okay. This is the box. Now I can finally open it. So, yeah, guys. Okay, guys, so this is a lot of work. As y'all can see, this is the hoverboard package that it came with. And then I got some room. Okay. This is the charger, guys. Oh my gosh! Mama! It's so pretty! Look at it, guys. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty! Oh my gosh. Look at this. Okay, guys, so this is so cool. Oh, Mom. Oh my gosh. Oh, this one is sweeter. So. Mom. This one's better.
working now?
Yeah. It feels newer.
You saying it's balancing?
Yep. At first it was I was flowing to the front.
Yeah, the other one was.
There we go. Okay.
Yeah.
Look.
Now let it charge.
That's what I'm about to do. So, okay. This is the Hollywood guys. So cute. Yeah. So I'm about to charge it. This got must be a charger. Okay. So this is the charger. I think this is the charger for it. This one. So I just got the thing on it. But yeah guys, so like I said, next week I'm getting my camera. And I'm gonna do a vlog. I'm gonna do an unboxing video just like I did this video with this hardware. I'm gonna do an unboxing video on my camera. So stay tuned for that. Bits. Okay. I thought it was a blue one. Because the packet was a blue color. Okay, I'll put that in there. Time to charge.
You look baby got married.
Huh?
Baby got married.
I know he do, but the family didn't know about it, but he do.
Oh, the family don't know?
Yeah, they don't know. Okay. So, set that camera right here. I'm going to charge it. That. Put it in. See, this is what they're about to find out. This is what the dad about to find out he got baby problems. Okay. See, they know. Okay, so that's all for the day. Not all for the video, but that's all for right now. The video. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. And tomorrow we're gonna be going to the hospital. So go, whatever. But yeah, make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe. #DDL. Peace, deuces, and bye.